I just fucking snapped this thing. Like, you know, snap the breaker bar on the BMW. No, yeah, the half-inch one, yeah. No, it didn't break off the fork part, but you know when it's like, where it's like square? Alright, you guys. Back with another video of me trying. Well, I want to give a shout out to O'Reilly's because as I broke my breaker bar the other day, I called O'Reilly's and pretty much they looked up my receipts. They could look up the breaker bar from 2017, which I was surprised. I didn't know about the bar that long ago. But I don't know if they had exactly that bar. But in the meantime, he was talking with the manager and stuff. I found another breaker bar which looks like a little bit more industrial and a little bit longer, so I don't need the cheater pipe, because I talked to the snap-on guy too and he told me, yeah, if you put the cheater pipe on it, it can flex kind of like that and that could cause it to twist. So I think Nakai-san said that one of his friends passed away, and you know this just sucks because they were just working on stuff, and you know he just had a beautiful message about his friend and so on. But he had this quote kind of, art becomes real when you can touch it and feel it. Realize how much work he puts into these cars in such a short amount of time. It's just crazy to see someone so skilled when it comes to car building, because you know it can look easy sometimes, but it is not easy. It's not an easy job to do, and there is so many like twists and turns. Some shit go wrong and now you have to figure out a solution to solve it. So you know, I gained a lot of respect for Nakai-san as building cars, and I would like to kind of do it the same way if I ever managed to be that skilled and really, you know, make money with my talent and passion and skill in the same bucket. I mean, it's not easy, and dude, it beats you up. Definitely beats you up everywhere, physically, emotionally, sometimes mentally. It's just really, you know, gets too much. Well, I got stuck on this thing because I couldn't break it loose. So my boss was super cool and he gave me his half-inch devolve. Oh yes. Yes. Oh, you guys, like, holy shit. You know, enjoy it, but like, yeah, it's out, dude. I'm happy as fuck, dude. Like, I'm gonna have some beers later because of this. Hey, what up, you guys? Back with another episode, I guess, or part, or whatever you call it, really. So today I got to work on the BMW a little bit. You know, I've been kind of just chilling this weekend, getting a little break because work was pretty demanding. So, you know, trying to grab rest for that as well. But I worked on my car today. You know, I did some research on the Integra. You know, I was looking into spark plugs as for the Integra as well. And I actually found the ones I need. They are just the regular copper ones because I bought 455 4s which the problem, it's a racing plug and they don't recommend it really for pretty much a stock engine, as much as, you know, forced in induction engines. So they recommend the 2662 or the 2669 or something like that, the part number for those plugs. So just the regular copper ones, but car part stores don't really carry them anymore, I guess. So I bought, you know, 2 sets of it. But back to the Beamer, I started a little bit getting ready for it, and I just want to show you guys one common thing with these BMWs, especially, you know, these older ones, is so, you know, the problem with these BMWs is that they have plastic timing chain guides, and what happens over the time, the plastic chain guides gonna break, and their piece is gonna fall in the engine, and what happens is they're gonna plug up your oil passages. So now I'm kind of concerned, you know, I have a little missing piece there, and it's pretty worn plastic. So whenever you work on these, I would recommend upgrading them, but I'm missing the other one, the lower half, so not much I can do with the car today. I started taking off my my gaskets and shit from the block, trying to manage my time well, which is pretty hard, and I'm kind of struggling on that. But eventually, if I clean that up, I want to use some RTV on the cover, not by the gasket really, but more like on the oil pan gasket, so that way I can make sure it's gonna seal with that old gasket on there. You know, Friday night I went out, so yesterday I was like dying with the hangover and stuff to get myself going. I worked on the video as well, so, you know, I'm trying to keep on the grind, which is not always easy, and things come through. Yeah. Ba-da-ba-pa-pa, crispy juicy present. Yeah. So I got a little bit further in the engine, you know, mostly I'm scraping stuff from the block, cleaning that up, and I'm scraping stuff from the front. But check this out. So this is why you change these timing chains, dude, because look at it. Alright, you guys, so I cleaned off the surface a bit more. I mean, it's not perfect, you know, it's not a machine surface, but it's pretty flat. Now I just have to wait for that lower chain tensioner from the next shipment from FCP Euro, and then I can start putting it pretty much back together. What I should do, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it, maybe in my room, I'm gonna have to sort out the parts and put them in order as they're gonna go back on the car, so it's not gonna be that hard to put it back.